Good morning students. Today we will discuss transversal of parallel lines with co-interior angles. So this I will explain with the help of the one diagram. Here line L1 and line L2 are parallel to each other. And this is the line T, and this line T is the transversal of line L1 and line L2. With the help of the protractor I measurement of all the angles. Angle 1 60 degree, angle 2 120 degree, angle 3 60 degree, angle 4 120 degree. In this way, all angles I measure with the help of the protractor. Now, we will discuss transversal of parallel lines with co-interior angles. So, first we will discuss definition of co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are those angles which are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. See here, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angle. And co-interior angle means interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So see, this is the transversal, it is its one side and it is its second side. So angle 3 and angle 6, these are the interior angle and they are available on same side of the transversal. So angle 3 and angle 6, it is the one pair of co-interior angle. So angle 3 and angle 6, it is the first pair of the co-interior angle. Now see, again this is the transversal. This side is angle 3 and angle 6. Now this side. So angle 4 and angle 5 are second pair of co-interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 5 is the second pair of co-interior angle. Now angle 3 measurement is 60 degree. Angle 6 measurement is 120 degree. Angle 4, so angle 4 measurement is 120 degree. Angle 5, its measurement is 60 degree. Now we will do sum of measures of angle 3 and angle 6. See, angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 60 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 4 120, angle 5 60. So 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary angle because sum of measures is 180 degree. Then we can say they are supplementary angle. So what is the final conclusion? See, final conclusion is if transversal intersect parallel lines, then sum of measures of co-interior angle is 180 degree. See, angle 3 and angle 6 both are co-interior angle and their sum 60 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 and angle 5, its measurement is 120 and 60 degree and their sum is 180 degree. Means what we prove here? If transversal intersect parallel lines, then sum of measures of co-interior angle is always 180 degree. See here. If transversal intersect parallel lines, then sum of measures of co-interior angle is 180 degree. I hope you understand this. Thank you.